Right then, guys.
Woohoo!
Here we are. Day 2 of the project. What are we going to do today, man?
Yes, today we will be sandblasting this frame.
Not only the frame, though. What else are we going to do?
Tank the side panels.
Let's go.
Let's go. So, just a quick process of what we're doing. I've got the wire wheel on the grinder here. I'm using this to get off the main bad spots on these big areas here. The tight areas where we need to, I'll then get the blaster out. Blast in. See you soon.
Oh, the spray is so loud, I need the ear defenders on.
Right then, guys. While Jordan is grinding the frame down, I'm going to be removing the stickers off these panels. And the way I'm going to be doing that, I'm going to be using this heat gun, warming the stickers up a little bit, and they'll just peel off, baby. Let's get to it.
And look at him with his yellow glasses on the bloody independent thinking he's cool. Fair play though.
But yeah, they're going to be wrap competition. Who can wrap best, me or him? This is going to be spray painted black. There we go, chat. He is there. Done.
Wow. Wow. We've done the grinding now. Look at this.
We've done the grinding.
We've done the grinding. Yeah. Yeah. I've done all the grinding. I've done all the grinding for the last 2 hours.
Whoa, I'm going to do this bit right here, guys.
Yeah, apart from this patch, which we'll cut to that.
Right then, guys. I'm going to have a go at grinding. Let's do this. Again, it's nice forward motion, back and forward.
Off. You can see there is a few pits and scores here. However, for a 20-year-old frame, or what is this, 91?
84, isn't it?
91. 84? 79? No, 1999 is what I meant to say. I believe it's that. So for 26 years old, not bad condition actually. There's no rust holes in it either, which is I'm pretty happy about.
Look at his hands, and he's been wearing gloves doing
Yeah,
this.
well, I've been
cleaned his hands once already.
Yeah, I have. Horrible. Wire wheels, effective but absolutely horrible. So I wouldn't recommend them to a newbie, to be honest with you. I'll let this guy have a go, but on flat surfaces. But just be careful with them if you are going to use them. They aren't like a hand brush. So, time for sandblasting in a second. Here we go then. Time for sandblasting. Put the frame on there, we're ready to go. This is a sandblaster unit, if you haven't seen it, by the way. Very handy, basically full of sand and high pressure air from the compressor we have here as well. And all it does is mix sand with air and blast out this nozzle here. Mix sand with air and blast out this nozzle here.
Right, we're all going to have a go at sandblasting for the first time.
Thoughts on sandblasting?
Funnest thing I've done mechanically. I don't know if it is mechanically.
Kind of, yeah.
Sort of, but in this realm of work.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Just need a quick... Just needed a quick...
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
You tit.
I'm the cameraman, I can never die. Right, quick refill of sand and then we'll be going
This is quite satisfying.
good
as
to
well.
go again. Look at the size of this funnel.
Fucking hell!
Oh, you weren't wrong. That is a big funnel.
That's a big funnel.
That's right. In the funnel. A bit that funnel and you still can't get it in there. That's not very funnel.
It's getting late again. Hold on.
It's like them.
Look at it go in.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. It is like a sandy bumhole. That is quite good actually. Yeah.
Sandy toxic.
Now we've had a fantastic idea that we may be able to show you and unearth the original donkey name. Join us. Look at that.
Where the name Donkey came from. They
Wow.
were on.
Cool! Look at this. That is the best that frame has looked since it was brand new, 20 odd years ago.
What's next then?
What's next? Next, we are going to sandblast the engine. Then we're going to decide on paint jobs. So join us soon. Time to blast the panels. Let's go.
Before and after.
Look at this, as I've been blasting the panels, I've been painting McGee here. Look at the finish on that.
Oh, not bad, right?
I think he's learning, guys.
Maybe I'm learning a thing.
I think he might be learning a thing or two. Painting the mudguard because we can't be bothered to buy a new one. Why would you?
And this is that is custom fit to Donkey.
Just to get the all that work.
I'm getting pretty sick of this, to be honest, but there we go, we're nearly done. I've got the tank to do. Get rid of that, the tank's going gloss black. I'm gonna shove some stuff around them and seal it up. Seal up the exhaust port. I'm gonna use the little handgun for this one. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more delicate. Maybe use the big one to get the worst of the bottoms there. I'm not gonna bother filming this because how much sandblasting do you really need to see? Is it before?
I'm not expecting much, but we'll see how it does on the engine.
You know what? It's actually not total dog shit. It's not quite as powerful as the big blast, obviously, but for the smaller stuff, for the finer stuff, not bad. Before, after. Yeah, not bad.
God, I hate England.
Holy smackers then. This is the engine after the sandblasting. As you can see, it's very, very clean now. So yeah, this is the frame. Everything else is prepped. This is the frame. This is the engine. We're now going to move on. We're now going to move on to painting. What's next? We're now going to paint everything which we have prepared. Prepared.
I think it's just prep.
We're now going to paint everything that we've prepped. We've spent hours prepping. We're now going to paint it, which I'm very excited about. So join us on this next video where you will see this, yeah, and much more for many painting antics and fun. Join us next time. Bye, guys.